Hello to everyone, I'm Mladen from Auris Audio, and today we are doing the unboxing video of Euterpe amp. As you can see, Euterpe comes protected in a cardboard box, which is not so massive, not so heavy, so you won't have any problems with lifting or with unboxing. On a first glance, you can see that Euterpe is pretty well packed in a cardboard box with a double box inside and plenty of hardened foam. First things you can see is a warranty card, which is valid for 2 years, while standard usually tends to be 1 year. The other thing is a user manual, which is a very useful thing in case you have some doubts about the product itself or its use. Once we remove the first layer of foam, we are coming to power supply. Power supply is wrapped in a white thin cloth, which protects the power supply against scratches and against dirt. There is a high quality 2-meter cable which you can use to connect it with the amp. There are no other kind of accessories, as you can see. There is no cords or USB cables, so it's up to you to purchase it before you purchase the amp. After we remove another layer of foam, we are coming to the main thing, Euterpe amp. Euterpe amp is also wrapped in a white thin cloth, which also protects the amp against scratches and dirt. As you can see, it's a beautiful woodwork with wood plates on both sides and the sandwiching aluminum chassis. The tubes in the amplifier are EI, branded and stamped Yugoslavia. As one guy said, it's always nice to have tubes which are produced in a country that no longer exists. You don't have to do anything, you don't have to put in the tubes for the first setup because everything is already installed, and you just need to take your favorite pair of headphones, attach it and simply enjoy. I hope this video has been useful and very interesting for you. In case you have some other kind of questions regarding specification or anything, you can always check our website or simply contact us through the email or by phone, and it will be our pleasure to reply. Once again, thanks for watching and enjoy. Cheers!